talking about America because signageacademy.com is being launched. Myself, Wendy Grays and Mike Lev, two different trade associations, and myself and colleagues will be coming over to start educating across the pond. In the UK, we've had people attending from Mauritius, Nigeria, Belgium, Cardiff, Manchester, Newcastle, Scotland, all over the place. So I was asking the people in particular from Nigeria, Mauritius and Belgium, why travel all this way over for our boot camp? Obviously fantastic that they're joining us, but why come all this way? And quite simply, as of yet, nobody has created workshops like our own in fabricated illuminated signage. So hence contacting different trade associations. We ran our first boot camps in Las Vegas this year. Favourite thing of mine is we ran programs in Leeds, Leicester, Las Vegas. Really loved it. They tend to like the UK accent, as you can probably imagine. And again, different terminology for different things. Fixings, which they call attachments, very humorous. Fixings to my colleagues over in the USA are what you put on your turkey dinner. But I think, again, just keeping people enthused and engaged, 9 till 4 is a long time, so inject some humour into that. Very tactile, very hands-on, lots of products talked about. In April of next year, we'll be returning to Orlando again, which is fantastic, and that will be a full-day boot camp at the pre-show, and then 3 half-day workshops that we're planning. It was interesting because some of the things that I thought for ourselves was sort of fairly basic, our sign trays, etc., they seem to really love how we manufacture them here. So I basically had 3 huge suitcases manufactured of signs of how we would produce them over here. Jumped on an aeroplane, took them over with me. The inches, oh, that was hideous. So we always talk in millimetres over here, but luckily I had some fantastic gents from Alabama that were on the workshop, and they were translating my imperial and my metrics throughout the workshop, which thank goodness for that. Mike and Wendy, they're hoping to set up smaller boot camps like I do in the UK. If they arrive on the boot camp, probably not sure what they've signed themselves up for the day, but we'll be going through products, we'll be going through illuminated letters, we'll be going through stencil cut or fret cut and acrylic backed sign trays, we'll be talking about pylons, we'll be talking about monuments, we'll be talking about flex faces. So we'll be talking about products that these clients will be dealing on a day-to-day basis, and hopefully educate them on areas that they weren't perhaps quite sure of. Or for me, it's about giving people the confidence. So what are they going to take away from the day? The confidence to sell bigger and better, and with more design and creativity behind it. That's our aim.